guys, we are playing the easiest game ever part 2. I was mute. I accidentally turned off the sound recording. So let's go continue. So how to get the Ablaze ending? So first, let's go get the cheese and unlock it.
Cheese.
And get the skull. And fell in the pit. There's a clock. So that's a move. But we need after this Abasan. And do this repeatedly. I think that. And let's go check the ending first. Is there an sun ending? No! I think I know. We forgot it. We need to get the moon ending first before the ablaze. I know. We need to speed run. We need to speed run, guys.
Cheese. Cheese.
Now we got the Ablaze ending. The world is on fire. It's hard, but we do it. The next ending we going is wait guys. Okay, the glitch ending. This is the hardest ending in the game. So how to get the thing? There is a memory thing. Memory. So first we need to get the yellow ball. We need to get the what's it called? Get the skull. I
Cheese.
think we don't need the skull. And we're going to do is exit it. Next, where's the ball? We need to fall it over here to pull the lever thing. Go for this lever. Good boy. And go. Press the lever. What can press, bro? What can press? Then again, redo. What can I press many times on this level and still doesn't work? Yes, sir, it worked. Next, we're going to do is fall, and it's here. No, we forgot Keaton here. So, but this is an good news. We got a new ending stuck. Yay! It's medium, but we need to get a glitch ending. This is in super long time, so can you please speed up the time? Speed it up. Okay, so let's go, continue. We need to get the dirty cheese as soon.
Cheese. Cheese.
Whoa, red ball. No, why I? dun, 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 dun. Okay, let's go continue, guys.
cheese,
Ay, naku, lintik na gusto ilubat naman. Nilubat ko siya. Nilubat mo, nilubat mo. Oh, pasaway.
I think we don't need the glitch ending because it's super hard. Hell no. Why story? We don't need story. We need endings. We need endings. Never mind that. Not the same game. Let's go check it out first. Nope. It's still in the part 10. I think this is part 2, so Wait a sec. Okay, how to get the sad ending? First, let's go. Okay, it's enough, bro. Wait, let's go check it out. We should go to the spawn ending first. First, go to the cheese thing. Next is put in this ball into the no. 16, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16. And go right here. Stop ending.
Ay, Maki, kanina ka pa nag-cellphone, Maki, ha? Kuya, kanina pa kayo nag-cellphone. Tama na nga yan. Nagula kang TV. Nagula kayo sa labas. Si Botche, pwede mo. Hindi, paluto. Ayun ang cupcake.
I think we don't need the ending, so this part is so bye bye guys.